Welcome to Rome Tech. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips and reviews. Today, we're taking a look at Mercury Broadband, an internet service provider making waves in certain regions. Their website, located at https://mercurybroadband.com, provides a comprehensive overview of their offerings. While we can't delve into every detail in this video, we encourage you to visit their site for the full picture. Mercury focuses on delivering high-speed internet to underserved communities, often utilizing fixed wireless technology to bridge the digital divide. This approach allows them to reach areas where traditional cable or fiber connections might be impractical or unavailable. This can be a game-changer for those living in rural areas or locations with limited infrastructure. Mercury Broadband emphasizes its commitment to customer satisfaction, promising reliable connections and responsive customer support. Their website features various plans to suit different needs and budgets, from basic internet access to faster speeds for streaming and gaming. They also often highlight community involvement, showcasing their dedication to the areas they serve. Checking their website will give you details on specific availability in your area, as their coverage isn't nationwide. It's essential to enter your address to see if their services are accessible to you. Beyond residential service, Mercury Broadband frequently promotes its business solutions, offering tailored internet plans designed for businesses of various sizes. They understand the critical role of reliable internet connectivity in today's business environment and aim to provide robust solutions to support growth and productivity. Their offerings often extend beyond just internet access, including options for voice services and managed IT solutions. It's recommended to explore their business section on the website for a deeper understanding of these services. Remember to visit https://mercurybroadband.com to see if Mercury Broadband is the right choice for you. They provide a wealth of information online, including contact details should you have any questions. Don't forget to explore their FAQs for answers to commonly asked questions.